In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to the Principle of Life series. Today's topic is do not backbite. Backbiting is like eating the flesh of your dead brother. This is how serious it is in Islam. Talking about others behind their back may seem small, but it causes pain, breaks hearts, and invites Allah's anger. Before you speak, ask yourself, would I say this if they were here? Rabbul Alameen says in the Holy Quran, ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه واتقوا الله إن الله تواب رحيم. And do not backbite one another. Would one of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? You all hate it. And fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is accepting of repentance and merciful.